would recommend other accountants attend the workshop to actually look to another way to actually achieve results, to actually increase fees, to actually stay in touch, maintain the relationship with your clients. And I think only by thinking about planning and helping them plan for their future is that relationship really strong and really good.
It's a no-brainer. It really is. It gets the team on board. It just shows you a different way, a better way, in my opinion. As accountants, we all, not all, but most of us want to offer more to our clients. And we do our best, but it's really difficult to get that structure. And what you guys have done is provide that structure and that platform so that we can focus more on those conversations with the clients.
Yeah, this is exactly what clients are looking for. It's what your clients need, and it's what all accountants should be doing this. And the process is easy. It's not difficult to do. And the support and team behind Clarity as well helps every step of the way.
Yeah, there's nothing to lose, only everything to gain, really. There's no risk involved. If anything, it will just show you a different way. And you just keep doing the same thing over and over again, you'll get the same results. We say this to our clients, but it's about time, I guess, we take a bit of our own medicine and dive in there and just give it a go.
It does change the way you think about advisory, and it also changes the key things that you understand that you need to talk to your clients about. We're always confusing our clients. One of the biggest mistakes we make as accountants is that we totally bamboozle our clients. We give them so much information, they've got no idea what we're talking about, and therefore they don't value it. So, they don't pay for it, they don't engage with it. And what this really does is show to you that there are 5 to 6 key things that you need to focus your client on. And the other thing it tells you is you don't have to have all the answers. I think so often we are so scared to have these conversations because we don't know the answers. So we're like, oh, we don't know how they can improve this, or we don't know how they can do that. But it's not about knowing, it's about giving your client an opportunity to talk through their own options. It's all about knowing what questions to ask rather than having the answers prepared.